Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sidra. I'm really happy to be here with you today. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Sidra. I'm feeling good today. A little relaxed, actually. How are you?
Oh, thank you for asking. I'm feeling calm and happy. You know, when we sit and talk slowly, it feels nice. It feels like a real conversation between friends.
Yes, it does. It doesn't feel like a strict class.
Exactly. That's what we want. Easy English, friendly English. And remember, dear listeners, it's okay to pause. It's okay to repeat. Learning is a journey.
That makes me feel comfortable already.
I'm glad to hear that. Before we start our lesson, let's do a little warm-up talk. Sime, tell me, how was your last winter?
Winter was cold, but I enjoyed it. I stayed at home a lot.
Oh, really? That sounds cozy. Winter has that feeling, doesn't it?
Yes, blankets, tea, and rest.
That's a lovely picture. And spring is very different from winter.
Yes, spring feels colorful and alive.
Exactly. So today, dear listeners, we will talk about two beautiful topics. First, we will talk about the Basant festival. Then, we will talk about winter vacations. We will learn English slowly, with meanings, with explanations, with small practice. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful. Let's begin. Let's start with Basant. Basant is a festival. A festival means a special day or time when people celebrate. Repeat after me. Festival.
Festival.
Good. Basant is a spring festival. Spring means the season after winter. The weather becomes nice, flowers bloom, people feel happy. Repeat after me. Spring.
Spring.
Excellent. Now the sentence, Basant is a spring festival. Repeat after me. Basant is a spring festival.
Basant is a spring festival.
Very good. Listeners, now you try. Repeat. Basant is a spring festival. Basant is famous for colors. Colors means different bright shades like yellow, green, blue. Repeat after me. Colors.
Colors.
Great. In Basant, many people wear yellow clothes. Yellow is a color. It shows happiness and energy. The sentence is, people wear yellow clothes. Repeat after me. People wear yellow clothes.
People wear yellow clothes.
Nice. Siam, have you ever worn yellow on Basant?
Yes, I have. I felt happy wearing it.
That's interesting. Feelings are important in language. Another important word is kite. A kite is a toy that flies in the sky. Repeat after me. Kite.
Kite.
Good. In Basant, people fly kites. Fly means to move in the air. The sentence is, people fly kites. Repeat after me. People fly kites.
People fly kites.
Excellent. Listeners, your turn. Say, people fly kites. People fly kites. Basant feels joyful. Joyful means very happy. Repeat after me. Joyful.
Joyful.
Good job. So we can say, Basant is a joyful festival. Repeat after me. Basant is a joyful festival.
Basant is a joyful festival.
Perfect. Now let's move to our second topic, vacations. Vacations are special days. They are days when we stop work or school. Vacation means a break from work or school. Repeat after me. Vacation.
Vacation.
Very good. When we are on vacation, we feel free and relaxed. Relaxed means calm and not stressed. Repeat after me. Relaxed.
Relaxed.
Nice. Now listen to this sentence. I am on vacation. Repeat after me. I am on vacation.
I am on vacation.
Excellent. Listeners, now you try. And repeat. I am on vacation. Siam, what do you like to do during vacations?
I like to take rest and enjoy my time.
That sounds wonderful. Rest means to relax and not work. Repeat after me. Rest.
Rest.
The sentence is, I take rest during my vacation. Repeat after me. I take rest during my vacation.
I take rest during my vacation.
Very good. Some people like to travel during vacations. Travel means to go to another place. Repeat after me. Travel.
Travel.
The sentence is, I travel during vacations. Repeat after me. I travel during vacations.
I travel during vacations.
Nice. Travel can be near or far. Both are good. Some people stay at home. The sentence is, I stay at home. Repeat after me. I stay at home.
I stay at home.
Good. During vacations, many people visit family. Visit means to go and see someone for some time. Repeat after me. Visit.
Visit.
The sentence is, I visit my grandparents. Repeat after me. I visit my grandparents.
I visit my grandparents.
Lovely. Vacations are also for fun. Fun means enjoyment and happiness. Repeat after me. Fun.
Fun.
The sentence is, I have fun during vacations. Repeat after me. I have fun during vacations.
I have fun during vacations.
Very nice. Listeners, now practice with us. I take rest during my vacations. I travel during vacations. I stay at home. I visit my grandparents. I have fun during vacations. Your turn. Repeat slowly. I take rest during my vacations. I travel during vacations. I stay at home. I visit my grandparents. I have fun during vacations. Now listen to this short story. I am on vacations. I take rest and feel relaxed. I travel to new places. I visit my grandparents. I stay happy and have fun. Now repeat with me.
I am on vacations. I take rest and feel relaxed. I travel to new places. I visit my grandparents. I stay happy and have fun.
Excellent. That sounded very natural. Now let's review today's lesson. First, we learned about Basant Festival. Festival means a celebration. Spring is the season after winter. Kites fly in the sky. Joyful means very happy. Then we learned about vacations. Vacation means a break from work or school. Rest means to relax. Travel means to go to another place. Visit means to see family or friends. Fun means enjoyment and happiness. Siam, how do you feel now?
I feel confident. Now I can talk about festivals and vacations in English.
Amazing. That makes me so proud. Dear listeners, you are learning step by step. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more easy English for you. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye, everyone.